the stuff that we bought from consignment sale. We spent about $36.50 and charged for credit card fee $3. So total $39. You see what we have in here. Okay, which one you want to open first?
This one.
หยิบสิ
I will open this one.
Okay นี่เป็น this one is a cartridge นะ frister I think and we bought for $6.50. Wow, that is so cool. Miss Frister. Wow. That's it. Wow. Okay, then what's next? This one. What is this one?
A car tree.
Cartridge. We
We
bought for $6. And then you can put all these cards in here. You can put McQueen. You can keep all cards. Whoa, that's nice. Hold on. Yeah, then you close it. See? Yeah, and then you can carry it. Hard, but see that?
Smoking.
Smoky.
This is for car tree.
Oh yeah.
Not too bad, I guess.
Smoky, we bought this for $9. The actual price about $23. You see?
Yes.
มีปากด้วย
You call that stomping on it? Let's go! Let's do something! Let's go! Let's move!
Let's go.
Let's go!
This is Smoky. Very cool, Smoky.
Let's go! Let's move!
Let's move. Let's move. This is $2. So what is this one?
A lot of truck.
Leather trucks. It's made from metal, right? This is not a plastic. It's very cool. It's like a trailer. What about this one?
Yeah.
This one $1.
There's a hobby.
What is that?
A swimming.
Huh?
Swimming car.
What's left? Garbage truck. And this one.
This one.
Airplane. Oh, we have plane. Actually, this one is for soap, right? $1.50. Actually, this is a plain bath soap toys. Like you can put the soap inside here and you can use that. This is the cars for $1.50. This is still brand new. It's never been opened. I actually buy this one for myself. I bought this one for myself. It's a $3. $3 card. The last one. This is not for my son, but actually this is for myself. It's kind of like it's never been opened. It's kind of like a princess thing. I am highly recommended the parents go to check it out. This consignment sale nearby your area. This one will save you a lot of money. Or even you have a lot of toys, a lot of clothes or kids stuff that you don't use anymore. You can sell it and make money from it. I think it's very good idea. Thank you for watching.